special guest
Hello.
in the vlog.
It's my pleasure to be here. Guess what we're doing?
What are we doing right now? Guess.
You guessed it right. We are literally performing with Hanuman kind. So
For
okay, you put that here.
we'll put it here anyway.
Yeah, because it's can't say that to anyone now.
It's female.
Yeah. Don't mind this hair, okay?
We have been practicing from morning afternoon 3 o'clock, and it's currently
It's 8:30.
8:30 ish.
8:30
We are tired. We are in Chinnaswamy.
Those cuties taught us.
Yeah.
Hi guys. We are not visible.
It's okay. Yeah.
Cuties. They literally spent time with us and taught us the whole choreo.
Yeah. We were late for the practice.
Yeah.
A day late, so they taught us the dance.
Not our fault, okay? They didn't call us.
Yeah.
They were like,
Currently there's like auditions going on. They're gonna select people, and like
she selected.
yeah, entire day I was standing in the last line, and finally I came to third line. Yeah. Anyway, next is our Haru, and then the Chutti Haru, and then there's Shruti, Sneha, and Charlie. They're gonna dance next. I will put the vlog. Oh, you shouldn't reveal the song.
Cut that. Mute. We'll see you when we leave. Bye.
Bye bye. Currently, you're seeing our members trying to audition. So you have Haru, Shruti, Sneha, and Charlie. And then here's our other Haru. Cringe.
ಈ ಹಾಡು ಕನ್ನಡ ಭಾಷೆ ಮತ್ತು ಹೆಣ್ಣಿಗಾಗಿ ಅರ್ಪಣೆ.
I'm laying the odds on all of us. I do it for all of my people now. Who did everything that I love. Yeah, everything that I love. Yeah, ain't nothing that come above. Now we go from angry and mad to happy and glad to find a solution for us. We go from sorry and sad to ready.
Hello.
We both are in the same team.
Yeah. Others got separated, but
No, they just ditched us.
yeah, actually.
Uri got obsessed.
Yeah.
But we
Beshinja.
both, like, she cannot live without me.
18. Adi.
Look at me, I'm cute.
1.
Whatever.
Okay.
Live without
So
me.
the other
3.
4 of them are in the other group, and we are in team B.
8, 9, 10. Hello, bro. See that
Please
again.
ignore her.
Adi atra, Adi.
I don't know if you can
18
hear
group.
us, but
Okay.
yeah. Yeah. There is something.
What will I say?
One eternity later.
I mean, we just danced for like 20 minutes and we are dead now.
Because the song is so hyper.
But it's so good. You people okay, yeah.
It's
Yeah.
a female. I will put the video later.
Yeah.
Yeah.
We all are gonna rock. Hope so. We both are in the same thing.
Yeah, ignore her. Thank you. Bye. Welcome to our auto vlog.
Yes, welcome to our auto vlog. Okay.
Yeah, we are going back from another event where
Going
no we are going to Chinnaswamy
from a different
from a
event.
different event
We
where
just performed. We both
She
are already
performed.
dead.
so good.
Well, like,
Yeah.
my shirt started coming off midway.
It's
It was
okay.
embarrassing.
It looks like it
But
was a
people
part.
said Kinsana, so I'm Kinsana, I guess.
괜찮아, 괜찮아. 아이, 괜찮아, 괜찮아.
It looked like it was part of the dance, so it's fine. It was good. But yeah,
The shirt slipping. Okay. But our Chetna danced crazy. She is our second gen idol basically. Only she knows the second gen songs. Okay. And we are anyways late for our
Practice.
IPL practice.
yeah.
As if we are the cricketers. But still, we are just dancing.
But still, they're gonna give out formation, so
Yeah.
We
I
were-
mean, they cannot dance without us. Okay. I mean, we are the main characters.
to be honest, half of them don't dance well over
Yeah.
there. So
Accusation. That's an accusation.
I didn't say the name. So, anyways,
Because you don't know their names.
A few moments later.
anyway, we got this free drink in the event.
I mean, she is so idiot. Like, she's too stupid to drink a canned drink in an auto.
So I
Because
am
who does that?
I am thirsty. Okay, I'm tired.
I mean, they have water over there.
I drank so much water.
I want that.
I want
The
pineapple.
mango looks so good. That looks so good.
I want pineapple.
Where are we now? Malaysia.
Malleshwaram.
I got it! Should we stop for Rameshwaram Cafe?
Ignore my.
Should we stop for Rameshwaram Cafe and have...
I just went
dosa?
yesterday night and I had dosa. I had parota. I had mango
We should show
lassi.
them the
And then
Rameshwaram.
watermelon juice. I had so much
We
yesterday.
should show them the Malleshwaram. What if they don't show? That side.
It's Malleshwaram 8th Cross near Asha Sweets, which
As
is
if they're gonna come here.
no. I'm telling, Asha Sweets is right there where I come and hang out all the time. If I'm coming to 8th Cross, Asha Sweets is the must.
Do you like gawa? I kind of feel like if I eat gawa, I'll get stomachache. So I never have.
That is because of the seeds.
Yeah, exactly. But oh my god, those mangoes look so good. You should show them that. How do you show it? You got.
It's a front camera.
Oh, okay.
She's figuring out how to use camera right now. Anyway, we'll go and update in Chinnaswamy.
Yes,
We'll go meet our other 4 girlies.
Yeah, they are missing us already. I mean, people laugh at me, so I guess I'm.
She gets bullied everywhere.
Excuse me, I bully people. I do not get bullied. Bye bye.
Okay, bye. Back with the auto hairstyle.
We are Ajumas now.
See, the thing is, we don't want our hair to go all flying, okay?
I mean, we are anyways gonna go over there and have our hair totally like. What is that?
See, our entry
Get
over there.
drenched
See,
in sweat.
we are already late. But then we should give a
Flashy
entry. We should be the people who are entering. And I'm wearing like a fox leather jacket in this heat weather.
like bitches. Well, we are here.
But yeah,
Like that.
this is us, G-Dragon.
Inspired.
From yesterday.
Because we at this point we don't care about our
Looks. Thank God I have cap also, so I shouldn't get sunstroke. I shouldn't
Yeah,
get
me
tan.
too. I have it.
Okay.
Okay, again.
This is day 4 of practice. Yeah. Hello, welcome back to the vlog.
Hello guys. Did you miss us? Cause we missed you.
Did we? Here they are.
Charlie, say hi. We just came.
We finished our lunch.
And
It was a
just
good lunch.
ate. We just came and ate. Remember the auto vlog? We ran.
We just came here to eat.
Exactly. We came here to eat.
Okay, I'll show you where we are right now.
That's gonna be there. I was recorded. I want to try this. RCB ಈ ಸಲ ಕಪ್ ನಿಮ್ದಾಯ್ತು ಈ ಸಲ ಕಪ್ ನಿಮ್ದಾಯ್ತು
We are the imposters here. So CSK fan, CSK fan. This is RCB fan. CSK fan in the blue over there, and RCB fan. It's a secret.
ಈ ಸಲ ಕಪ್
Tala.
கப் எங்களுக்கு தான்
Tala for a reason.
கப் எங்களுக்கு தான் கப் எங்களுக்கு
Tamil venda.
கப் எங்களுக்கு தான்
Tamil venda.
How can you say that?
Chigum venda.
Chigum
You're wrong place. Kannada.
Kannada song.
Cup namde.
Cup namde. CSK ಗೆ.
This is Shruti right here.
RCB fan, big RCB fan.
She was very stoked.
Tell it loudly.
ಈ ಸಲ ಕಪ್ ನಮ್ದೆ. You don't come at me, don't come at me, you don't come.
It's all fun, guys. Nothing serious.
All serious, bro. All serious. Only serious. Come.
Only this RCB.
Hey, show the stadium. Look at the stage so big.
So there's like setup going on right now in the ground. I'll show you. That's the stage area.
We won't be even looking at the singers who are dancing. We'll be looking at the audience, yeah.
Hey, we are dancing for you people only. So we will watch you, don't worry.
Look at her being a rowdy all the time.
Over there, where we are standing.
1, 2, 3, go. Who let the dogs out?
And then the puppy. Maybe it's here, it's here, it's here.
Puppy is sick.
Can you even see me though?
Yeah, silhouette.
Okay.
Okay. How do I? What do I?
You're there.
Always trying to be with me. Kid. So currently they're giving us the formations. I'm in the first line. Yeah. Haru is somewhere there. Look at the tiny girl. Anyway, this is what's happening right now. I'll keep you updated. Bye bye. Actually, currently we're waiting for the performance to start. Look at that lady, small girl, having round table conference with everyone.
Hey, I don't think this side you should be doing. This side.
Can you open your eye?
Give me.
Continue, don't pause.
Huh. This side. Come here. Hi guys. Then what? Welcome back to our YouTube channel.
This will be half into the video.
Once again, welcome back to our YouTube channel, guys. We are almost dead. Again, we are gonna go and practice.
What are we doing?
We are gonna actually, they told we'll be dancing, but we are running a marathon. That's what is happening. So we have been drinking gallons of water, which is rare.
There is intake, but there's no
Input,
but there's no output.
I mean, there is. We are sweating like crazy.
We're always matching with our hairstyle.
Yeah,
and our bandana.
I mean, at this point, that's
At
a
this
survival
point,
skill.
she can't live without me. Always there where I am.
Excuse me, you
Copying
came to my
style.
team. Excuse me, I wore the bandana
She
first
was
day
praying all the gods that I join her team. Okay.
because there was no one else.
She has set of her friends, but
Hey,
I'm bored here.
no.
Okay, back to our positions. Bye bye.
They're giving upma, I think. Today? It's so good. There is no star. Where is the star?
We are
The stars.
Wait, let's just put our face in. No,
No.
why? Come.
What's the time? 7:50. Yay! She's waiting from 6:50. Aren't you? Yeah.
This feels wrong. Like, why does this feel like we're not supposed to be sitting here? And I can't.
What am I staring at? My own face.
Morning faces of everyone. Yay!
Why are you doing this? Show my picture.
Please carry your prop
Hey,
and show your prop.
I'll trip on this. So annoying. Such a bitch.
So we are running a marathon now.
No, we're crying for help.
Yeah, that too.
It's a cry.
Sige. ನಾನು ಮಾತ್ರ ಬೇಕಿದ್ರೆ ಯಾರಿಗೂ ಕೊಡ್ಬೋದು ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟಿನ ಎಷ್ಟೊಳಗೆ
Start again. Action.
We hurt.
Okay, take 2. Action.
We hate certain people over here. I don't want to call names, but they are bitchy.
You don't know their names.
Oh yeah, we don't know their names, but they are like so annoying. I mean, it's not a first-hand thing.
Elaborate.
It's a second-hand hate.
Why do you hate them?
They are so much attitude. They have so much attitude than me. No one should have so much attitude than me. Look at me.
Tips to survive the heat.
Using every single prop for survival at this point. One, two.
I started.
Okay, take it. Then we'll freestyle it.
No, wait. This halfway and then giving, na?
Can't do a single chin.
It's okay, I'll cut it. I'll edit it.
Hey, you're giving it so bad.
Hi guys, welcome back to our vlog. Welcome back to our sunny vlog. What are we doing here? Nothing. We're just waiting for our clothes to be given. What is it? What are we waiting for? For costumes. And once again, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Yeah, you know who we met? You know who came? You know who Chetna almost, like, what do you say that? What do you say that? Nothing. We just, you know, Jasprit Bumrah came right in front of us. Like, yeah. He was just, like, let's say 1.5 meters away. Not even 1.5 meters. You were jumping on him, basically. Oh, yeah, that was what I was going to say. No. I was very happy. I mean, our crew people were sitting right near the gate where he has to get in. So apparently there is a practice match today. Yeah. So I almost got stamped and like dewarded. She was almost stamped by people. Yeah. But then who cares? I got to see Bumrah up close. He's so cute. Oh. Okay, guys. See you again. It's us both in the vlog, and the other four are missing. It's always us because she just follows me.
Can't even say bye very nicely.
So we are actually in the stadium, and then RCB people are practicing over here. I'm trying to be very discreet.
All I can know, I think that's particular. I don't know who these are. One among them is Virat Kohli, I think.
I'm very embarrassed.
Chetna.
Ta-da! Imposter 1, Imposter 2, Imposter 3.
ಕೂರಿಸ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ನಿಮ್ಗೇನ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದು ಮೊಬೈಲ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಬಾರ್ದು ಶಿವಣ್ಣ ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ವಾಕಿ
Looks like a Yeti. Hello. Do you want to see
Her
our,
chakri outfit.
the costume?
Give me, I'll show you.
Off to water fish, okay. What is that?
Puppy, 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 puppy. That's basically a Samyar outfit, if you guys know.
Look at her red face. Like red nose. She doesn't even need blush. Natural blush.
There's no blush, it's literally itching me, it's burning.
Oh, you guys want to see my hand tan? Wow. Oh my god, look at this.
Some tan shade over there, oh my gosh.
At least yours is
Inside.
inside. Mine is like
That's
1/4 of the hand. Like what is
There was this
Who is this special guest? Shivraj Kumar.
Shivraj Kumar.
Yes.
Yay!
This is the after effect after 2 hours. Oh, we still have 3 more.
Oh, the last one
Next
is.
one is big dogs.
Let's go!
We're gonna say Hanuman.
Let's go!
This is our last performance. Still, we're on the green lawn. And that's Sanjay Hegde.
Our last performance was bomb.
It was the best out of everything.
Chinama.
The energy from the dancers, the energy from the singer, the energy from the audience.
Went crazy. You're done with all the performances.
Look at her nose. This is the post dance event look. We're having food. We're the choreographers. Goated. Hi Anihan. ನಾನು ಬ್ಲಾಗ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ತೀರಾ ನೀವು? Yeah, those are our choreographers. We're having lunch. Look at. One was missing. We don't know where she is.
What happened to you?
Tired. End of our vlog.
I mean, end of our performance.
Yeah, end of the event actually. We are tired. Dirty mirror.
We just had food. Good food. She always ate chicken.
Oh yeah.
Thinking it's palak paneer.
Yeah.
But yeah, it was good day. It was
Look at my tan.
Oh, I didn't show my tan, but it is tan.
I am 10 shades darker.
I'm 30 shades darker. But yeah, thank you so much for watching. We'll see you next time.
Done. Finally done.
Yes, going back home. Hi.
How are you feeling? Event is done.
It was good. I finally bye to Chinnaswamy.
Bye bye. See you in the next vlog.
Yes. Okay, bye. It's sad that we are leaving Chinnaswamy. I feel bad, but my body's so exhausted. Oh my god. I have my Korean scholarship interview tomorrow. Hopefully I do well. Yeah. Bye bye. See you.